Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding certain PS4 games from your friends and other people on PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Account Management. Next, select Privacy Settings. Next, select Privacy Settings. In Privacy Settings, select Gaming. Now select Hidden Games, then select Hidden Games for PS4. Here, choose the game or games that you want to hide from your profile. Then hit the Confirm button. That game will now be hidden from other people on your profile. You can come back here to unhide it at any time. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.